Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to day 7 of 31 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. Today I'd like to tell you about one of my sleep paralysis episodes. If you've ever had sleep paralysis, you know just how frightening they can be. So, buckle up and put on your thinking caps, because this one may get quite complicated. For this episode, I'm even going to be drawing a map of the dream for you as my craft. So please ignore my terrible drawing skills. This episode of sleep paralysis actually took place just a few months ago. I've had several sleep paralysis episodes each year since I can remember, but lately they've become multi-leveled. So, I was asleep and dreaming. But in my dream, I dreamt that I was dreaming. And in that dream, I dreamt that I was sleeping and fighting to wake myself up. In the second level dream, I was also fighting to wake up and had a clear view of my bathroom door, even though I prefer to sleep in complete darkness. As I stared at the doorway, I saw a very tall figure with gray or white skin bend down and a large bulbous head craned out of the doorway. The head was attached to the body with a long, slender neck. I'd estimate the neck was at least 2.5 feet long. I couldn't scream in my dream, as I was still fighting the sleep paralysis, but I could hear real-life me making noise. The quiet groans and gasps was what finally broke me out of the third level dream, but the second level dream was still active. So I struggled harder in that dream, as the figure craned its head more to get a better look at me. Finally, I managed to scream in Dream 2, which cut off the sleep paralysis for both dreams. I sat up in bed shaking and sweating and stared in the direction of my bathroom door. I turned on my TV to the Chromecast screensaver and kept it on for the remainder of the night. Seriously, if you've never had sleep paralysis, count yourself lucky. Well, that'll about do it for today's story. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, the link to the playlist is in the description box below, as well as a link to my Instagram, where you can find today's project and all the others so far. Take care of yourselves, and sweet dreams.